Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you today about how to become a better musician. It's a topic that we can probably speak about forever, and so this is another little tip about how to make your songs more musical. It's kind of an exercise, but it also lends itself to playing more beautifully, adding musicality. There are lots of words to say it, but let me show you the exercise. I'm making this video because a lot of you send me in your videos of yourself playing, and you're at that level where you're able to learn songs quite well. Your songs are musical, you're playing it well, but you're asking, what can I do? And so this is my answer basically to everyone who sent in a video. I've given you some sort of explanation as a personal video. I thought I would share this with everyone else. So let's take the song Moscow Nights. A lot of you are playing it straight. Right? And I have a lot of suggestions for what to do with that, but one suggestion, something that I do when I learn a song and I want to make it more musical, is I just play the chords and I want to make sure that I know the chord variations. I can't stress it enough how important it is to know a D minor like this and like this. Why is it important? Because when it comes time to adding musicality to a song, playing multiple notes at the same time makes a huge difference. And not stumbling over how to find those chords makes a huge difference again. It takes you from that 80% of a song right up to that 90% of being able to play a song. It also lets you learn a bit faster. So what do I mean by that? Moscow Nights is D minor, right? D minor, D to A major, to D minor, to A major, to D minor. I just handle that part. What I would do if I were you trying to learn the song well, is I would just play the D minor. I would play the song, follow the chords of the left hand with your right hand, and play the full chords, whatever variations you know of them. So I would do this: D minor, ba 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 ba, A major, ba ba ba, D minor, A major, D minor. Let's break that down. So the first D minor that I chose is this D minor. It's the root, D, F, A, ba, 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 ba. The next A major, the A major that I chose is this A major because it requires the least amount of movement. Right, so D minor, A major, D minor. If you can't do this yet, totally fine. Practice your triads and arpeggios for D minor and A major. Really break it down to that fundamental. D minor looks like this. A major looks like this. And so the D minor to the A major, it's a great mental exercise. Do the D minor to an A major to a D minor. And then the song actually does a quick A major to a D minor as a mental challenge, as a mental exercise. Do the ba, 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 D minor, second form or third form of A major, and then the next form of D minor. Right? I would just do that. Ba, 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 ba. And then C to F, right? E, A, D minor, G minor, D minor, A major, D minor, A, E, A, D minor. So essentially you're playing rhythm, right? But I encourage you to do a rhythm that has different shapes of those chords, the different variations of those chords for every time that you play the song. I just did another video about canon, right? And how important that is. It's important to be able to break apart a song into its chords and play different variations of that chord so that it sounds beautiful. Watch the Canon video. I guess it's the same message, but again, super important. Whether you're playing Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah with C major to A minor, I'm going to choose a different C major, to F, to G, to C, to F, to G, to C. And you see, I haven't repeated a chord, I keep moving up. In the same way, I can keep going down. What does this mean? The big picture, when it comes time for me to play the song Hallelujah, I know the chords, and it means that I could play different voices, I could play the harmonies, I could do a lot with my right hand, which really makes the song your own and it makes it special. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy.